And there's Hamilton, but trying to go down the outside. Is he going to sweep through? Can he keep it on the road? He can. He's done it.
Hamilton, who's been making a habit of going down the inside into turn one, this time dances round the outside, and he has done it. He's cleared Sergio Perez, who's got now DRS to try and fight his way back. They're going to go wheel to wheel into Cedar de Lago, and Sergio Perez repasses Lewis Hamilton and reclaims that second place. Inside, outside, outside, inside. Which way is Lewis Hamilton going to go? To the left, to the right? It's going to be to the right. It's going to be round the outsides. And for the second lap, running the crowd cheer as Lewis Hamilton passes Sergio Perez. This time around, he looks a bit further ahead through the Curva del Sol to try and stay ahead.